the popularity of the shop, the success of the shop, and everything else that goes with it. We get fantastic donations in by local people and obviously people from Anglesey, Port Madra, Fideo, that way as well. And yeah, it's just sort of sorting out with great volunteers, obviously. Starting from the back where we sort everything out. If things need washing, we've got the washing area in there as well. We've got a blow dryer and a washing machine. And then they all come back, ironed, and put on hangers, on rails in the back, ready for me to sort out pricing and everything else. So yeah, it's really, really good point in Caernarfon for people to come. Because there is nothing else in the town really now anyway. There's a lot of places closed, like House of Earth, Lost in. That went. It's doing more of a smaller version of the larger store, so there's just not a big range of various things. So yeah, it's success all the way, I think.
It's nice to come in and they're well presented. They all look clean and lovely. So yeah, we'd have to travel probably to an expensive shop and buy brand new.
Yeah.
So, but in here, yeah, it's lovely.
It is lovely.
It's got some baby hats, and
The clothes are amazing, you know, so it's really handy, especially with the school clothes as well. I found it hard to get in school clothes, so it's been really handy here. You can get the second-hand school clothes for a really great price, and they're in great condition as well.
Yn ystod Covid, oedden ni'n teimlo yr angen bod babis yn dal i gael ei geni, i'r plant yn dal i dyfu, a bod angen dillad. Felly wnaethon ni fel cynghorwyr ofyn i gynghorwyr eraill a theulu a ffrindiau gofyn iddyn nhw a bydden nhw yn bodlon dod â dillad. Fe gasglwn y dillad at ei gilydd, ond y broblem gyda hynny oedd doedd y bobl, doedd rieni ddim yn cadw mewn i ddewis dillad, ond nhw'n gofyn am enghraifft pecyn o dillad ar gyfer plant 5 oed, ac o'n i'n paratoi pecyn, heb wybod os oedd y dillad yn siwtio'r plant ac yn y blaen. Felly, y peth naturiol nesaf o'r fan honno oedd yn bod ni'n sefydlu yn y stryd fawr a penderfynu sefydlu yn fan hyn yn stryd llyn. Oedd hynny'n benderfyniad pwysig bod ni yng nghanol y dre o ran y siopa.
As you see, we're expecting a baby, and just love this shop. Clean, all the things are clean, and it's ideal if you haven't got an high budget to get everything you need for your new baby. Yeah, it's.
Mi oedd gennym ni gymaint o ddillad a nwyddau babi a bydd hynny mor boblogaidd. Mae hwnne, fel mae'r lluniau chi'n dangos, yn llenwi bob man. Wedyn o fanne, mae'r siop wedi tyfu i fod yn un o ganolbwyntiau pwysica Caernarfon o ran cyflenwi nwyddau i blant a babanod a phobl sydd yn gwerthfawrogi ail ddefnyddio dillad yn hytrach na prynu bethau newydd heddiw.
The toys here are very reasonable as well. So it's really good for the town because we haven't got much here. So it's really reasonable in price, and especially when it comes to Christmas, it's very handy, especially when I've got 2 girls that really want everything.
A byswn ni'n deud bod y siop wedi cael ei derbyn yn rhyfeddol. Mae bobl yn dod i Caernarfon yn benodol i fynd o law i law. Felly dyn ni'n fars o'r cyfraniad yma o law i law.
It's been full from strength to strength since then. It was a short-term thing, but it's become something permanent.